15 amazing ways to use baking soda for teeth whitening. Your smile is an essential part of your personality. The brighter and better you smile, the more confident you appear. But, if your teeth are not white, have stains or are discolored, then you may think twice before flashing a wide smile to anyone. Teeth get yellow due to several reasons, like not taking good care of them, too much consumption of coffee, cola, tea, tobacco, and other such products. 1. Due to these, a thin coating is developed over the enamel. You can brighten your smile by using whitening strips and trays, visiting the dental clinic regularly, and undergoing dental treatment, etc. They are not really harmful, but sometimes, they can cause a mild sensitivity. 2. These procedures are very costly, and not everyone can spend that much. There are numerous cost-effective home remedies for whitening teeth, but baking soda works best among all of them. Is baking soda good for teeth whitening? Baking soda is a common household product that is used in numerous ways for various purposes. From cleaning stains to odor removal, and baking to extinguishing a small fire, there are many uses of this miraculous ingredient. As the soda is mild abrasive in nature, using it for teeth is quite questionable. But, it is not really bad for your mouth. Though some of the safety measures must be adopted while using soda for oral cleansing, you must give this ingredient a fair try. It has been proven by several studies that it can remove dental plaque if regularly used. 3. In addition to teeth whitening, a lot of benefits are associated with brushing teeth using baking soda. Let's discuss how to whiten teeth with baking soda and get a beautiful smile. How to use baking soda for teeth whitening. One. Baking soda. This method does not require other ingredients and is one of the easiest methods to make your teeth shine like a pearl. Baking soda has already been proven for removing plaque, which is an essential part of teeth whitening. 4. Prepare a paste by adding a little amount of water to 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the paste to your teeth with your finger carefully, leaving the gums. Rub the teeth one by one, and when done, rinse with water. Alternatively, take baking soda in your palm and dip a damp toothbrush in it. Brush and rinse well. Or, apply some baking soda directly to your teeth and wait for 2 minutes or so. Rub it with a brush and wash your mouth thoroughly after that. You can use the method for a maximum of 3 times a week. Two. Baking soda with lemon juice. Lemon is acidic in nature and hence, it is one of the best bleaching agents for dentures. It is a rich source of vitamin C, which is wonderful for gums. The combination of lemon juice and baking soda is the most effective and cheapest way to remove the yellow cavity from your teeth. 6. Just mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice and brush thoroughly. Wash it off with regular water. Apart from that, salt is also good for your teeth. Therefore, you can also mix a little amount of salt in the above preparation and apply it with the help of a soft bristle toothbrush. Note: use this method for not more than once or twice a week, as overuse of lemon might erode the enamel of your teeth. 7. Baking soda, lemon, and vinegar. You can combine baking soda with vinegar for shinier and brighter teeth. Vinegar has a bleaching effect on teeth and can act as a disinfectant according to several studies. 8. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with an equal amount of vinegar, white, and lemon juice. Make sure to form a paste-like consistency, and apply it to your teeth with a toothbrush or finger. Brush gently for 1 to 2 minutes, spit and wash your mouth with water. Or else, mix a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of vinegar, white or cider vinegar, together and brush with the prepared solution. Alternatively, you can also mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of vinegar, preferably apple cider vinegar, and brush for a few minutes. You can repeat the method every alternate day. Note: the excessive application of vinegar to your teeth can cause damage and affect their strength. 9. Toothpaste and baking soda. Baking soda is the product that can be used easily with several other things for removing plaque buildup. It is also found in some of the tooth powder and pastes. Some clinical trials have also proved the plaque removing efficiency of baking soda toothpaste. 10. If you are in a hurry and don't have time to make several recipes for whiter teeth, just sprinkle some amount of baking soda, or 1 teaspoon, on your toothbrush, having a layer of toothpaste. Brush once in the morning every day. Or, you can also spatter a pinch of salt along with baking soda for better results. 5. Salt and baking soda. This is one of the popular and easy remedies, as salt provides the minerals that are a must for healthy teeth. It is also used alone as a cleaning agent. 11. Therefore, you can increase the effectiveness of the soda by adding any salt, table or sea, to it. Simply mix 3 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt together, and brush your teeth by gently massaging them. Rinse with water later on. 6. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda also form a great teeth whitening paste. As it is used as a mouthwash for treating several oral and dental problems, it can be used as a catalyst to aid the whitening process. Just mix half a teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make a smooth paste. Apply it on your toothbrush and use it to brush your teeth. Note: while brushing, Make sure that you do not apply it to your gums as it may weaken them. Seven. Baking soda and strawberry scrub. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C that is a must for dental health. 13,14. The berries polish the teeth and hence make them brighter. 15. It removes the stains that are deposited on the surface. Salt, on the other hand, works as a scrub and removes marks from the enamel. To make this, mash 2 to 3 large strawberries, or as needed, and prepare a paste. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch or 2 of salt to it. Mix thoroughly, and smear the prepared mixture on your teeth. Leave it for 5 minutes and rub gently afterward. Wash off with regular water and clean thoroughly. Alternatively, take a piece of strawberry, sprinkle some soda over it and rub it on each and every tooth. Repeat the process every day for sparkling white smile. 8. Baking soda, turmeric, and coconut oil. Turmeric is packed with loads of medicinal properties like being an anti-inflammatory agent. 16. It is very useful in alleviating pain and swelling. 17. To make a toothpaste, mix 2½ or 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda thoroughly. Brush daily with the prepared paste. This will not only make your teeth white but will also solve the oral problems. Nine. Baking soda with coconut oil. Coconut oil has antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. Oil pulling is already proven to be effective in decreasing plaque from teeth. 18. Peppermint oil is also proven to fight against oral pathogens as some studies reveal. 19. To prepare your own toothpaste using these ingredients, you have to mix 2 tablespoons both of baking soda and coconut oil, and 10 drops of peppermint oil together. Store the mixture in an airtight container and brush your teeth with the mixture every day. Alternatively, if you don't want to use peppermint oil, you can replace it with 1/4 tsp of 3% hydrogen peroxide, a few drops of xylitol or stevia, optional, and spearmint oil. Spearmint is also a herb whose oil is used for several diseases, including a toothache. 20. Toothpaste with sage and baking soda. It is a well-known fact that the products like toothpaste or mouthwash containing sage have an antibacterial effect on the oral pathogens that are responsible for plaque. 21. You can prepare your very own toothpaste at home that is antibacterial using sage leaves. Mix dried sage leaves powder and baking soda with enough amount of water to form a thick paste. Brush your teeth with the prepared mixture daily to get whiter teeth. Note: you can store the leftover quantity in an airtight container. (11) Toothpaste with ginger, peppermint oil, and baking soda. Ginger has lots of properties including antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, etc. (22,23) Peppermint oil has also shown antifungal and antibacterial activities against several pathogens like bacteria, fungi, etc. (24) To make all natural toothpaste at home, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1/4 tsp of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a few drops, 3 to 5, of peppermint oil. Mix all the ingredients properly and store it in a container. Mix half a teaspoon of the mixture with toothpaste and brush over each tooth in a circular motion. Do this regularly for the desired results. 12. Homemade mouthwash. Everyone is aware that 3% hydrogen peroxide has numerous household uses. It is a well-known bleaching agent, as well. You can use hydrogen peroxide to whiten teeth too. It does so by oxidizing the organic matrix of the teeth. 25. To prepare a mouthwash, mix 1½ teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of baking soda with cold water, half glass or more, and rinse your mouth thoroughly with the prepared solution. Do it twice a day. Note: people who are having soft or damaged gum tissues should not use hydrogen peroxide. 26. (13) Indian lilac and baking soda mix. Indian lilac has been used for centuries for the treatment of several diseases. It is known as a panacea in dentistry. 27. The oil prepared from the leaves of this tree is already proven for removing plaque and microorganisms. 28. The bark of this tree prevents gum inflammation too. 29. To prepare a paste, mix baking soda and lilac spark powder in the ratio of 1:1. You can brush your teeth with the powder or can make a paste by mixing water. Add a drop of peppermint oil to enhance the flavor and to give it a cooling effect. Brush with the prepared paste every day and rinse well with water. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon of calcium powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of Indian lilac leaves powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a few drops of peppermint oil, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of spirulina properly. Use the mixture to brush your teeth every day. 14. Baking soda and essential oil blend. Tea tree oil has antibiotic properties that reduce gum bleeding effectively. 30,31. Baking soda, on the other hand, is known for its whitening effect on teeth. Just combine 2 to 4 drops of the oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and clean your teeth using a brush or finger. If you are using a finger, rub every tooth properly to get white and bright shine. (15) Baking soda with glycerin and aloe vera. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, and antimicrobial in nature and has lots of other properties. 32. It is widely used for the treatment of many diseases like cardiovascular problems, diabetes, etc. (33) Glycerin also possesses lots of properties which are helpful in killing germs of mouth. Mix equal amounts of baking soda and vegetable glycerin in a small quantity of aloe gel. Stir properly and use the mixture to brush your teeth every day. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and 10 drops of chiasmatic pistachio lentiscus var. Chia oil together and brush regularly with this. 34. This method will prevent tooth decay, protect and strengthen gums, and freshen your breath.